A multidisciplinary team led by Interpol South Africa, Organised Crime, Crime Intelligence, detectives, and the Special Task Force Unit have arrested a 46-year-old Israeli gang leader attached to the Abergil Organisation. The fugitive was arrested together with 7 others in Bryanston this morning. During an early morning raid, the team pounced on an identified address in Bryanston where they found the suspects, 12 firearms including 5 assault rifles, 7 pistols, $40,000, as well as 3 suspected stolen motorcycles. According to Israeli authorities, the suspect is wanted in connection with conspiracy to commit murder and murder in Israel. According to these authorities, between 2003 and 2004, the suspect placed a bomb on a vehicle in 2 incidents. In both these incidents, at least 8 people were seriously injured. The suspect has been on Interpol's red notice since 2015.
Done.
Do you have in your car?